Hello everyone, I am Shibin Balakrishnan. I welcome you all to the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Looking into the observed weather during past 24 hours, dense to very dense fog condition has been prevailing over parts of Uttar Pradesh, West Madhya Pradesh, Punjab and at isolated places over Uttarakhand and Rajasthan. The image you can see here is the INSAT 3DR day microphysics image based on 9:45 AST of today, where you can see dense fog patches mostly prevailing over parts of Punjab, over parts of Bihar, UP and over major parts of North Madhya Pradesh, with visibility dropping to as low as 0 meters over parts of West UP, East UP and over isolated pockets of West Madhya Pradesh and Punjab. Cold day conditions prevail in isolated pockets over parts of East UP, with Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, East Rajasthan, Haryana, Chandigarh experiencing cold day conditions. Highlights of today's briefing being the dense to very dense fog conditions are forecasted to continue during the night and morning hours over north and adjoining central India during next 7 days. Cold day conditions are forecasted to prevail over Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, West Madhya Pradesh and Bihar 4th and 5th, and over East Rajasthan and East Uttar Pradesh on 4th of January. Looking into the cold wave conditions are forecasted to prevail over pockets of Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh during 5th to 8th, over West Rajasthan during 5th to 9th, over East Rajasthan during 5th to 10th, and over Jharkhand during 6th to 7th January. Looking into the synoptic conditions of today, the upper air cyclone circulation over East Bangladesh and neighborhood is persisting at 1.5 km above mean sea level. Western disturbance is seen as a trough at 5.8 km above mean sea level, roughly along 68 degrees east to the north of 35 degrees. Subtropical westerly jet stream with core winds of the order of 150 knots at 12.6 km above mean sea level is prevailing over northwest India. The cyclonic circulation over Southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining South Kerala coast is persisting at 0.9 km above mean sea level. An upper air cyclonic circulation currently lies over Southeast Bay and adjoining Southwest Bay of Bengal and equatorial Indian Ocean, extending up to 5.8 km above mean sea level. Looking into the minimum temperature forecast, Northwest India is forecasted with no significant change in minimum temperatures during next 2 days, with gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius forecasted for subsequent 2 days and no significant change thereafter. Central and East India is forecasted with gradual fall in minimum temperatures by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius for next 3 days and no significant change is expected for the next 4 days. Maharashtra is forecasted with no significant change in minimum temperatures for next 24 hours, with gradual fall forecasted by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius for subsequent 4 days. Gujarat state is forecasted with gradual rise in minimum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during next 5 days and no significant change is expected thereafter. Looking into the subdivision wise warning maps, dense to very dense fog is forecasted over parts of Punjab, with dense fog conditions forecasted over parts of Haryana, parts of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh with very dense fog conditions. Fog is also forecast over parts of northeast India and over parts of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, with ground frost conditions forecasted over parts of Uttarakhand for day 1 and day 2. With respect to the cold wave conditions are forecast over parts of Punjab, over parts of Rajasthan and over parts of MP, with cold day conditions forecasted over parts of Uttar Pradesh and over parts of Bihar for next 2 days. Looking into the warning for day 3 and day 4, cold wave conditions are forecasted over parts of Punjab, parts of Rajasthan, with fog conditions forecasted to prevail over parts of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and parts of central India, with Jharkhand and Odisha also forecasted with dense fog along with parts of northeast India. With respect to the day 5 warning, day 5 and day 6 warning, you can see fog conditions forecasted to prevail over parts of Punjab, Haryana, parts of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, with cold wave conditions forecasted to prevail over parts of Rajasthan for day 5 and day 6. Day 7 is forecasted with fog conditions prevailing over parts of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. For round-the-clock weather updates, kindly request you to follow IMD social media handles. Thank you.